How to delete Facebook account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your Facebook account on iPhone, it doesn't really matter. You can open the Facebook app, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. After you tap the gear icon, you can just go to see more in account center option. As you do that, you can just go to personal details tab, and once you go to personal details, over here you can go to account ownership and control, and then make sure to tap on it. After you tap on account ownership and control, you can go to deactivation or deletion. Select your Facebook account here, select delete account, and then tap the continue option, and then you will be able to delete your Facebook account on your iPhone. This way you'll be able to delete your Facebook account on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.